Which foods contain protein? I find that there are a lot of misconceptions regarding this. When I ask patients, do they get enough protein? They will very confidently say, yes, I'm eating enough protein. And I know it's not going to happen, so I ask them a little more detail, tell me what are the foods that you eat during the day that give you protein. So they'll think for a minute and then they'll say, fruits. And this is coming from educated people, which means that people really have no idea what foods give protein. Now, which are the foods which contain protein? Non-vegetarian foods, of course, they give protein. That means whether it is seafood or whether it is four-legged animals such as mutton or pork or beef, definitely they will contain roughly, let's say, about 40% protein. But the problem occurs when we are talking about vegetarian foods. So where do vegetarians get protein from? Let's say you eat eggs. You're a vegetarian, but you eat eggs. One egg will give you anywhere from 4 to 7 grams of protein. Let's say 5, 6 on an average. So if you weigh an average of 60 kilos, then you need 1 gram per kilogram. That means 60 grams of protein per day. If you're doing nothing but lying down all day, if you're totally sedentary. But if you're walking, if you're working, then you need more accordingly. Or if you're pregnant or lactating or a child growing or an elderly person, then you need even more than that. But let us take it as a very basic 60 grams. Now, vegetarians will get protein from dairy products. That means milk and milk products. Milk would give you, let's say, a maximum of 8 grams per 100 ml. And how much milk would you drink per day? 200 ml, 1 glass of this size. So that's 16 grams. And then you still have to go all the way up to 60 grams. So where is that going to come from? Or if you take paneer, then yes, you'll get almost 1 gram. You'll get about 25 grams for a 50-gram piece of paneer. But you can't eat paneer every day. So then we look at dals, pulses, beans. On an average, these will contain about 20 gram per 100 gram of uncooked dal. Now, how much dal do you cook in your home? For a family of 4, it's usually not more than quarter kilo, 250 grams. So 250 grams is going to contain 20%, that is 50 grams, which is going to be divided among 4 people. So about 12 grams, 12 and a half grams per person. Let's say if somebody gets 10, somebody gets 15. So how are you going to build up to 50 grams, 60 grams, and even more in case of active person? Reluctantly, I have come to the conclusion that supplementation is necessary for vegetarians. So how do you supplement? How much do you supplement? DM us and we will help you. Thank you.